Good morning. I'm going to go through the two questions that I wrote down for you for homework, practicing with equations of the line where the slope was a fraction. So the first question that I gave you, just look it up here, was that we had to find the equation of the line through the points, question 1, A, which was 1, 3, and B, which was 5, 6. So before we can even do the equation of the line, of course, we have to find the slope of the line through those 2 points. So let's label them our 2 points of an x and a y, and they are the first point and the second point. My slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's in our log tables, but hopefully you're starting to learn it by now. So filling into the slope formula, I get 6 minus 3 divided by 5 minus 1, and that gives me 3 over 4, 3/4. So that is my m value. I'm going to use x1, y1 from here. I could use the other point as well, okay? It doesn't matter which one we use. I know I'm repeating myself, but I think it helps us remember better if I keep repeating myself. So the equation of the line formula, y minus y1 equals m by x minus x1. I fill into that and I get y minus 3 equals 3/4 by x minus 1. And we can't leave it like that. We have to multiply the y side by the bottom number. 4 is going to multiply the y side, both terms there, and the 3 will stay where it is and multiply the x side. So this will give me 4 by y minus 3 equals 3 by x minus 1. Multiply out my brackets, I get 4y minus 12 equals 3x minus 3. And bring everything to one side. 3x plus 4y minus 12 plus 3 equal to 0. Sorry, that should have been a minus 3x. I'm going to talk a little bit about this in today's class, why it becomes a minus 3x. So then we've got minus 3x plus 4y minus 9 equal to 0, and we must change our signs because we need to have x as a positive answer. And that's the answer there. 3x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. Let's go through the second one that I gave you. Question 2. The points were C, which was minus 2, 8, and D, which was 3, 4. Again, I'm going to label my points. x1, y1, x2, y2, x2, y2, and find my slope. The difference between the y values divided by the difference between the x values. So filling in there, I've got 4 minus 8 divided by 3 minus a minus 2, 3 plus 2. And that gives me negative 4 over 5, minus 4/5. Leave that minus number on top like that, because when we do our multiplication out, that makes it easier to know where the minus goes. The equation of the line formula, y minus y1 equals m by x minus x1. Fill into the formula, y minus 8 equals minus 4/5 by x minus a minus 2, x plus 2 like that. Again, the bottom number multiplies the y side of my equation, and the top number multiplies the x side. So I have 5 by y minus 8 equals minus 4 by x plus 2. When I multiply out my brackets, I get 5y minus 40 equals minus 4x minus 8. Bring everything to one side. Becomes a plus 4x plus 5y minus 40 plus 8 equal to 0. And tidying it up by adding like terms, we have 4x plus 5y minus 32 equal to 0. And that is our equation of the line as required. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. But if you're getting stuck, well, one thing I would say is a little bit don't worry about it yet if you don't get everything. We're going to spend a few classes doing some algebra now. And then when we come back to this, after we've done some algebra, it may clear up some of the difficulties if you're having difficulties with this. Okay, thank you very much.